Okay, so winter is finally here and my skin was getting really dry as hell. So I'm gonna share my easy winter skincare. Nothing extra, nothing expensive. So you can do this skincare as well. Let's get started. Always start your skincare with a gentle face wash. Wash your face twice a day, or even you can use it thrice a day. You can wash your face in the morning, in the afternoon, and night, but 2 times are must. And also use very light face wash. Don't go really harsh on your skin, and don't put really harsh stuff on your skin in winter especially. It makes your skin really worse. Second step of your winter skincare is a moisturizer. Don't forget your moisturizer, especially in winter, because your skin gets really dry and we need that moisturizer on our face. Winter is not the time for lightweight creams, okay? We need a thick moisturizer, a thick version or moisturizer on our skin. Gently apply it on damp skin. That's the tip, because it absorbs more moisturizer on your skin and make it look soft by the morning. I'm gonna add an optional skincare tip, that is toner. You can also use toner in winter as well. It is very good for your skin, but that is option. If not using it, then it's fine. You do not need it every single day. That's fine if you're not using it. But don't forget your sunscreen. I'm saying don't forget your sunscreen ever in winter as well, because sunscreen is your skin barrier. It locks the moisturizer and locks every skincare you have done on your face. So don't forget your sunscreen, and also do lip care as a last step. Use any lip balm or Vaseline that is very thick and that have a lot of moisturizer in it. Gently apply it on your lips, and then you are done with your winter skincare routine. So do this daily and your skin will stay soft, hydrated and alive this winter, and your skin will thank you, especially this winter. Follow for more tips. Bye.